You are going to love the 2020 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, traction control. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 115-volt power outlet, capless fuel filler system, cruise control.